Hello everyone, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjipuram silks. This is Rajni presenting you the new fresh stock of collections directly from the weavers of Kanjipuram with the bright and beautiful contrast combinations. Starting with this grey and off-white combination, zari woven saree priced 10,700. Next one is light green with a browny pink combination in the border. Silver zari buttas on the body, very beautiful contrast combination. The saree is priced 7,900. Next is a very uniquely woven, attractive, elegant saree, stunning for a celebrity event. Yellow and brown combination, temple border, very uniquely woven on both sides of the saree, priced 13,500. Folded part is the blouse piece that is in brown. Next one is pista green and red combination, 2 grams pure gold zari saree, checks pattern on the body along with golden zari buttas and traditional borders, priced at 19,900. Next is another contrast combination, metallic pink with copper sulfate blue this time, floral weaving all over the body, priced at 15,500. Here comes rich golden zari woven, beautiful shade of peach, priced at 13,900. Another golden zari woven saree in metallic shade, very trendy and contemporary design. The whole saree remains in single color and the price of the saree is 13,900. Next one is very contemporary design in traditional temple weaving. Alternate multicolor borders on either sides of the saree with kora color in the body. This is the blouse piece and pallu. Here is the open pic. The price 13,500. Next one is very attractive bright combination, turning border saree in orangish pink, golden zari woven, very rich and grand as you can see in this open picture, priced at 14,200. Next one is bright and brimming yellow, again turning border in the bottom part and pavanchi border in silver zari on the top part. Golden as well as silver zari booties comes on the body. The saree is priced 13,900. Next is a unique border in sapota color, golden zari woven booties with contrast pallu and blouse piece in rani pink as you can see in this picture, priced 12,990. Another bright yellowish orange combination, turning border, radham motifs on the body, very intricate weaving, priced at 14,800. Next one is a tree and bird motif, comes in the bottom part of the saree in orange and navy blue combination, very unique stunning piece. This saree is priced 13,900. Next one is copper zari, that is antique zari woven borders and silver zari and antique zari checkered pattern in the body, priced at 14,990. Another copper zari woven saree, very big border in navy blue and orange selvage at the bottom, contrast blouse piece also comes in orange, priced at 19,500. Next one is a dark shade with golden zari combination along with golden zari borders. Single color saree priced at 14,500. Here is the pallu. Next comes a bridal combination, rich tissue kanjivaram in orange and blue combination. Very unique geometric pattern woven on the body and that is the pallu. And folded part is the blouse piece in blue. This saree is priced 19,500. Let us see the pictures of the saree. Take a closer look. Beautiful combination and very unique design too. This is the open view. Next comes another lovely combination in dark pink and golden yellow. Rich floral zari woven all over the body. As you can see in this video. And medium sized borders on either sides of the saree, evenly woven. The same color pallu, priced at 19,500. Here are the pictures of the saree. Very grand and perfect drape for a wedding. Next comes a coffee brown golden zari woven bridal saree with golden zari borders too. The saree is priced 14,500. Grand pallu. For these sarees, we have another color, dark maroon. Maroon and golden zari combination goes really beautiful for any bride. And the plain blouse piece with the same border as that of the saree comes here. Next one is a pastel shade, candy pink with steel grey. Very unique with horizontal striped pattern, intricate borders on either sides with the 2 grams pure gold zari, priced at 15,500. Next comes in plum color. Very unique border in leaves pattern, creeps along with floral golden zari booties on the body. This saree is priced 15,800. Similar design pattern in another attractive red color combination, tomato red with golden zari unique leaf borders. It comes also in the pallu, as you can see here, with the plain blouse piece, priced 15,800. Next comes pink with contrast pallu in green, turning border style. Here is the closer view, priced at 14,300. Another turning border, unique tree motifs comes in golden zari along with traditional ornaments, and golden as well as silver zari booties comes on the body, complemented with contrast blue pallu and blouse piece in royal blue, 12,900. Next is a korvai weaving cream and orange combination. Elegant saree for middle-aged women, priced 15,500. Let us see few borderless sarees now. In bright red combination in golden zari, self-embossed attractive weaving, complemented with bottle green pallu and blouse piece, priced 10,990. Another color combination in borderless with minute checkered pattern along with annam golden zari motifs all through the saree. Royal blue pallu and blouse piece, priced 10,990. Next comes a bridal saree in red and green combination, traditional yet very beautiful and attractive. Rich circle motifs entire body with big borders, priced 13,990. Here comes a black kanjivaram with rich golden zari weaving all through the saree. Pavanchi borders, vairausi along on either sides of the saree, priced 10,500. Next comes big wide borders, retapettu style weaving in navy blue with purple combination in the body. This saree is priced 16,000 rupees. We have another color in the same design pattern, forest green and navy blue this time. Here is the open view, and the folded part is the blouse piece, priced at 16,000 rupees. Next is a very thin golden zari double border rettapettu style in pink and navy blue combination. Very elegant simple saree, priced 9,990. Next is a traditional temple woven mustard yellow and black combination saree with striped golden zari in the borders. This saree is priced 10,500. Next comes small border Koruvai Kanjivarams in violet and peach combination in the border with small annam booties and horizontal zari stripes in the body, priced 12,500. Here comes cream and red combination, traditional temple border along with minute checks on the body. Red pallu and blouse piece, priced at 12,500. Another rettapettu style, simple Kanjivaram in black and maroon combination, zari cuttams entire body, beautiful color combination, priced at 9,990. Next is plum and bottle green combination with minute zari booties on the entire saree with big golden zari booties borders. Next one is cream and pink combination, pure Kanjivaram silk, priced 7,500. Here comes royal blue and purple combination. Lovely saree, priced 16,500 with 2 grams pure zari. Here comes a pure zari Kanjivaram in rising temple border with the mint green and blue combination, priced at 17,990. Pure zari saree. Next one is methi green and pink combination, small golden as well as silver zari booties in the vertical pattern comes on the body and traditional borders on either sides, priced 8,200. Very grand saree at the budget price. Let us see few more borderless sarees in checks pattern on the body along with golden zari chakra motifs. This saree is priced 10,990. Next comes purple and royal blue combination, very attractive borderless saree with brocade silk thread weaving all through the body and circular golden zari motifs, priced at 10,990. Next comes rich golden zari woven bridal Kanjivaram saree in bright tomato red, floral and crepes pattern in the border and brocade zari woven on the body, priced 13,900. Each saree we have in different color combination and unique design patterns in the borders. Each of them priced 13,900. And few more pastel shades we have with antique zari, that is copper zari, pavanchi borders on either sides of the saree. Sit back and relax, check our entire video again. If you like any of the sarees, please send a screenshot of it to WhatsApp number 70108303303 in order to book your saree. Please make a note to check the availability before booking the saree because upcoming wedding season has started and sarees are getting sold out very soon at the weavers. So we request you to check the availability before making the payment. My sister Bharat Lakshmi will assist you in the WhatsApp number mentioned 70108303303. I repeat. And let us all meet in our next episode with lots and lots of more beautiful and unique collection, and we will be more than happy to serve you to get the best sarees at your doorstep. That's all for today. Signing off, Rajni from Team Million Designs.